Hello guys and welcome to the Productivity Company YouTube channel. So you're on remotasks and you are looking to actually start tasking. After you click start tasking, this page comes on and shows you that and tells you that your classic task queues are empty. So what should you do? You should refresh it. So one way of refreshing is actually coming up here and clicking this option that's at the top of your screen. You could also just go to your keyboard and press the F5 function key. Also, you can just press Control and R, the Control key and the R key together, and it will help to refresh your tasks, your task queue. So if you've tried both of those and they still don't work, what I'll need you to do is to actually go to the onboarding center, go through the featured projects. Okay, so you'll find about 3 featured projects, depending on what you've actually been working on. So if it's transcription, if it's content and if it's under content and language, which is categorization, text highlighting, or transcription, if that's what you've been working on, that's what will be brought to you as a featured project. If you're working on 2D projects, which is image annotation, segmentation, or video annotation, then that is what will be brought to you. If it's 3D, which is linear LiDAR annotation or LiDAR segmentation, that is what will be brought to you. Okay, so you can just select one of those and go and practice for those tasks for future reference. Okay, it doesn't mean that when you task right now you'll be given a task, something to work on immediately. It might take a few days, a few hours, or even a week before you're actually given tasks that you have actually sat for tests for. Okay, so by sitting for example, these certification exams that are at the bottom here. Okay, the various exams that are there. There's also English. There's also algebra. So you can sit for a wide array of exams to actually prepare you for future tasks. Okay, so that's one of the things that you can do. You can actually sit for those exams that are under the certification exams page. And if you have a problem, maybe you see that understanding or going through the tasks will be a hard thing, you could as well just sign up to the remotasks bootcamp. Okay, remotasks bootcamps are actually free and you're taught via Zoom. So you're taught via Zoom for free, depending on your schedule as well and depending on your availability. So you need to also make sure that you have a strong internet connection and that you also have a laptop with you. Okay, because most of these tasks are actually better off done or performed using a laptop or a computer that also has a good graphics card, so that for better quality tasks, and also so that you can work on better paying jobs such as the 3D annotation and segmentation jobs. Okay, but if you have a laptop that doesn't have such a good graphics card, you can just as well go for the content and language or the 2D projects. Okay, it's fine, you'll still earn your money, you'll still earn your cash, but don't forget to sit for the certification exams. That is something that I'll advise anyone and everyone to actually sit for, because they go a long way in helping you to get more tasks in your queue. Okay, yeah, so I think I'm done. If there's any question that you might have, any question at all, don't shy off from asking the questions in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible or as quick as possible. And I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.